Okay, one thing I want to show you guys is how to take this part off. A lot of these break off down here, and I want to show you guys how to take it off because I didn't see any videos on it. So getting closer, let's unlock it right here. On the bottom part, there's a wire that's connected to it here, and there's like a little pin here. It's a plastic pin that goes all the way to the top. What I like to do is I like to take this off right here, boom, and then from the bottom I like to get a needle nose like this and squeeze the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. Squeeze the bottom and push it up at the same time. There you go, and it gives you a little bit of room on top. There's a little gap, and you want to stick a screwdriver in there. See if you can do this with one hand. There you go. Squeeze. If you can get your fingers, I don't think I will. But let's see. Screwdriver there. Pry it up. There you go. There we go. As you can see, popped up a little bit. Now you can probably get your fingers in there and pull it out. There you go. There we go. Got the clip. Broke off, unfortunately, but it's okay. It's just holding it in place. And from here, you can just slide it off. Be careful with this part. You want to make it like this, and then just wiggle it around. Just slide it off. See? Boom. And now you got your little piece for door locks. You want to put this back into place. There you go. Boom. And then you can replace it.